Hello students, today we will solve different numericals based on mole concept. So before starting, quick revision first. Start with mole. Mole is amount of substance containing Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? 6.022 into 10 to power 23. Okay. What is the mass of 1 mole of any substance? Will be equal to its gram atomic mass if it is an element. If it is a compound, then will be equal to its gram molecular mass. What is gram atomic mass? Relative atomic mass expressed in gram, it will be known as gram atomic mass or gram atom. What is gram molecular mass? Relative molecular mass expressed in gram will be known as gram molecular mass or gram molecule. Molar volume, volume occupied by 1 mole of gas at STP, standard temperature and pressure. What is the value of molar volume? 22.4 liter. Okay, so suppose we have 1 mole of ammonia. It means 1 mole of ammonia contains 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules. Mass of 1 mole of ammonia will be equal to 17 gram. Nitrogen 14, atomic mass of nitrogen 14, hydrogen 1 into 3, 17 gram. And 1 mole of ammonia will occupy 22.4 liter. Is it clear? Same way, if we have 1 mole of carbon dioxide, calculate by yourself. 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecule. What will be the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide? Equal to its gram molecular mass. Calculate gram molecular mass. Carbon 12, oxygen 16 into 2, 32. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. And what volume will occupy 1 mole of carbon dioxide? 22.4 liters. So try to relate all these things and then we will solve different numericals. So now take example number 1. Okay, calculate number of mole of atom in 80 gram of calcium. So what is the formula for mole? Mole is equal to given mass divided by gram atomic mass. Here we have to calculate mole of atom. So we will divide given mass by gram atomic mass. What is the atomic mass of calcium? 40. Given mass is 80. 80 divided by 40, we will get 2 mole. It means 2 moles are present in 80 gram of calcium. Okay. Then how to calculate number of atoms? Number of atom is equal to mole into Avogadro's number. Okay. Mole into Avogadro's number. So we have calculated here 2 moles, 2 into Avogadro's number. Now for calculation we will use only 6 into 10 to power 23. Okay. So mole into Avogadro's number. 2 into 6 into 10 to power 23 is equal to 12 into 10 to power 23 is equal to 1.2 into 10 to power 24. Okay. Then take second example. Calculate number of moles and number of molecule in 73 gram of hydrogen chloride. So what will be the first step? Calculate molecular mass of hydrogen chloride. Okay, so hydrogen 1 atomic mass. Atomic mass will be given in question paper. Okay, but simple one you should remember also. So hydrogen atomic mass is 1. Chlorine atomic mass is 35.5. So gram molecular mass of HCl is equal to 36.5. So how to calculate mole? Mole is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. So given mass is 73 divided by molecular mass 36.5, 2 mole. Okay, so 2 moles are present in 73 gram of HCl. So now number of molecule. How to calculate number of molecule? What is the formula? First learn formula. Mole into Avogadro's number. Okay, 2 mole we have calculated. 2 into Avogadro's number. So what we will get? 1.2 into 10 to power 24. Okay, clear this one? 1 mole of any substance contain Avogadro's number. So how to calculate number of molecules present in different mole? What is the formula? Mole into Avogadro's number, and for calculation we are taking 6 into 10 to power 23. Then another example take. Calculate weight of 0.5 mole of oxygen. Okay, you are supposed to calculate weight of 0.5 mole of oxygen. So what is the formula? Mole is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. Mole given 0.5 is equal to given mass. Mass is not given, let it be x, divided by molecular mass of oxygen. What is the molecular mass of oxygen? 32. 16 into 2, 32. So x will be equal to 0.5 multiplied by 32 is equal to 16 gram. If you want, you can use unitary method also. Any method which is simple you can use. So later we will discuss that method. I think this is also very simple. Okay, so this is clear. Then another example we will take. Number of molecules in 3.2 gram of sulfur dioxide we are supposed to calculate. Okay, so we already know that number of molecule is equal to mole into Avogadro's number. So first calculate mole. What is the formula for mole? Given mass divided by molecular mass. Molecular mass of sulfur dioxide 32 plus 32. By 32, sulfur atomic mass is 32. Oxygen 16 into 2, 32. So gram molecular mass of sulfur dioxide is equal to 64 gram. Given mass is 3.2 divided by gram molecular mass, that is 64. What we will get? 0.05 mole. We have calculated now. Calculate molecules. Molecules is equal to mole into Avogadro's number. Mole 0.05 multiplied by 6 into 10 to power 23. We will get 0.3 into 10 to power 23. So what will be the answer? 3 into 10 to power 23. I hope you remember this rule. If we are expressing answers in power of 10, then this number should be more than 1 and less than 10. Okay, so this is clear. But everywhere you can use unitary method also if it is clear. Okay, next one. Find the mass of 11.2 liter of nitrogen. Okay, different numericals we will try to solve. Okay, simple one first. Okay, find the mass of 11.2 liter of nitrogen. So first step, what will be the first step? Calculate gram molecular mass. Orally you can do. Nitrogen 14 into 2, 28 gram. So here we will apply unitary method. So if it is simple, you can use this method also. Suppose mass of 22.4 liter of nitrogen is equal to 28. Because we already know 1 mole of any gas occupy 22.4 liter, and mass of 1 mole of any gas will be equal to its molecular mass. Okay, this is clear. This try to relate all these things. Okay, 1 mole of any gas occupy 22.4 liter. That volume will be known as molar volume, and mass will be equal to its molecular mass. So 22.4 liter of nitrogen, mass is equal to 28 gram. So mass of 1 liter of nitrogen will be 28 divided by 22.4. So mass of 11.2 liter of nitrogen will be equal to 28 divided by 22.4 multiplied by 11.2 is equal to 40. Okay, so this is unitary method. But direct method also, if you want to apply that method also, I will tell you. So whichever is easy, that you can use. Second method, mole. Mole in terms of volume, how to calculate? Suppose mass is not given, volumes are given, then how to calculate mole? Mole is equal to given volume divided by molar volume. So here what volume is given? 11.2. This is the given volume. What is the molar volume of any gas at STP? 22.4 liter. So what mole we will get? 0.5 mole. We have to calculate here mass. So we will put the value in this formula. Mole is equal to mass, given mass divided by molecular mass. So 0.5 is equal to x upon 28. X is equal to 0.5 into 28 is equal to 14 grams. So whichever method is easier, that you can apply. Unitary method, just try to apply unitary method also. That is also very simple. Okay. Then next, calculate the actual mass of one